Hey guys, Hop here. Thanks for tuning in to TFBTV's coverage of SHOT Show 2024. We are over at the Desert Tech booth talking to Jeff about a brand new rifle for this year.
So this is the Wolverine. This is the third generation semi-auto bullpup from Desert Tech. It looks like an MDRX, but it is not. It saves a lot of the best parts of the MDRX. Its form factor, obviously, that's why it looks the same, but it's quite different. So the MDRX had a different receiver than the Wolverine. The Wolverine uses a completely aluminum receiver. The barrel block and rails and all that stuff has been integrated into the receiver. It's all one piece, and therefore we have a lot less weight in the rifle, so it's much lighter than it was before. And we've added an additional screw for clamping surface, so there's a lot more room for clamping the barrel into the rifle, which adds to accuracy and better performance out of the rifle as well. So
this also maintains the very recent upgrade of the gas block that you guys did. You applied that to the MDRX, and now it's part of one of the main features of the new Wolverine.
That's correct. Yeah. So we removed the pick rail off of the gas block towards the end of the life of the MDRX. That's carried over to this Wolverine as well. So you don't have that gas block section missing here. It also it does use the same handguards and everything as well. So the same black label, like this is the black label handguard for the rifle there. You can use those same handguards with the rifle as you did with the MDRX.
And then the new barrel clamp system is kind of more similar to your bolt-action rifles, which are more like that's really solid return to zero idea.
Exactly. It's got a more broad clamping surface, much like the SRS and HTI. So those rifles greatly influenced the design of this one, yes.
So also compared to the MDRX, then the barrel is just more firmly attached.
That's right, and it uses a different barrel extension and different bolt system, so that's why there's not any cross-compatibility with MDRX products.
And you guys have also dropped the forward eject option and just sticking with reversible side eject?
Correct, yeah. So the forward eject was popular with a lot of people, but it was unpopular with other people. And so we kind of decided, since we were going with a lighter, simpler rifle, we decided to stick with the side eject design. It's still completely ambidextrous, so you can run it on left-handed or right, either way. Yeah, so it's side eject only now, but still ambidextrous.
So between, you dropped about a half a pound, I think, by not including the forward eject on the original rifle. And then you guys have simplified and removed some excess components from the receiver of the rifle. Correct. So what's the total package weight of just the standard 16-inch model now?
The standard weight, I believe it's 7.12 pounds or something like that. So basically 7 pounds.
Yeah, so similar configuration to the MDRX would have been approximately 8. So this one is
8.2, something like that. Yeah. So a good pound lighter. Yeah.
And are you guys still going to be offering the Micron versions, the short barrel of the same rifle?
Yeah, so the Wolverine's basically taking over for the MDRX, picking up where it left off, essentially. So the same caliber options and all those things we're going to carry over into the Wolverine. Right now we have the 5.56, 308, 6.5. The 300 Blackout will be a little bit behind those. And then my sincere hope is that we come out with a whole bunch of other great options after that as well, so hopefully we'll see some more.
And is there going to be a price point change for the Wolverine versus MDRX?
No, so the Wolverine is going to keep basically the same price point as MDRX, so the forward ejecting MDRX prices are basically the same as the Wolverine prices were. So.
Fantastic. And as last question, when are these going to be available?
So we are we're saying Q2, but we're probably going to start shipping these within the next month and a half. So.
Thanks very much, Jeff, for walking us through the rifle. Thank you guys very much for watching. Stay tuned. We still got a lot of stuff to do at SHOT Show 2024. That was a terrible outro. Holy shit.